I had received an email that apparently my spark plugs have been delivered with the spark coils, but it's pouring down rain. Look at all these trees that have fallen in my driveway. But anyway, we're walking to the mailbox here. That's why I'm even doing this. So there's my Rock Auto parts. Let's go open the box and see if I got some cool magnets. Sometimes they give really cool magnets. Baby kitties all want to come outside and play in the rain. Alright, so let's go ahead, open this up. Right down the center. Skim the top of the receipt. Ooh, right on top! Right on top! Ooh, and it's cool. V-dub. I think that's a carbon Gia. That's cool. Came straight from California. It says it was made in Korea, but shipped from California. The NGKs. Yeah. Iridiums. This was our unboxing. Unfortunately, like I've already mentioned, it's raining outside, so it doesn't really seem like an assembly is happening as of right now because I don't have cover to work under. This cat wants out so badly. Do you see these paws?